Do you struggle with finding just the right sound in your studio? Have you ever wished you could see the routings and the plugins and everything that pro audio engineers use? Man, I don't know about you, but when I hear a song that's like amazing, like on the radio, I always think about, I wonder what reverb they use, or I wonder what delay settings they use to get that, because it sits just right in the mix. Have you ever struggled with mastering your tracks so that they sound kind of like, you know, they can compete with commercial releases that you hear on the radio or Spotify? Well, look, I did too. I discovered that starting with a template is the way to go. I mean, that is absolutely the way to go. When you start with a template, you not only get to see the routing, but you also get to see the settings that they used and how much they used and whether they inserted or whether they sent to an auxiliary or a submaster. You get to see all this. Every time I start a recording session now, I start with this template because it keeps my work consistent. You want to know who notices that? My clients. And that's the reason they keep coming back to me, because I'm consistent. Plus, I'm easy to work with because I'm super happy because I love my job. If this is you and you want to get better at what you do in your recording studio, I got you. I want to give you for free this recording session template that I use in every session in my Grammy-winning Los Angeles-based recording studio. It is ready to go and it helps you get started right away with your sound. I also want to give you a mastering template that I use when I master songs. And this mastering template, believe it or not, uses stock Pro Tools plugins. Don't discount that just yet. Wait till you see what I got going on. And it's free. Plus, I want to throw in, again, absolutely free, a couple of my track presets. If you don't know what track presets are, think of these as templates, but track by track by track. You can be in a session and need some tracks built for recording, like right now. You just click once, your tracks come in the way you like it, with your plugins, with your settings, ready to go. I'm going to share with you a couple of my track presets that I use all the time. I want to give you these for free. Just click the button below, grab these things. Let's start building your studio empire today. Look, when you need templates, I got you covered. Trackmaster Templates is your place to go for templates, for presets, for everything that you might need to get you started and keep you growing, keep your studio on top. Because you know who's going to notice this? Your clients.